Problem based on Cauchy-Riemann equation. So question is, if f of z is analytic, show that dou square by dou x square plus dou square by dou y square into mod of f of z the whole square is equals to 4 into f dash of z the whole square. So solution, let f of z is equals to u plus I v be analytic. Therefore f of z is equals to mod of f of z is equal to under square root of u square plus v square. Now this squaring both sides will get u square plus v square is equals to 5. Say that. Say we can label it as a 5. Next, to prove dou square by dou x square plus dou square by dou y square, this is into 5 is equals to 4 into mod of f dash z the whole square. This is one and same. That is to prove that phi of xs plus phi of yy is equals to 4 f dash mod 4 into mod of f dash z the square. Now consider this part, phi is equals to u square plus v square and differentiate with respect to x partially. That means phi of x is equals to dou by dou x of this term. It is 2 into u into ux plus 2v into vx. This is the 2 taken common, u into ux plus v into vx. Next, differentiate again with respect to x this term. So we will get phi xs is equals to 2 into, now apply product rule. U constant. Next, differentiate this term with respect to x partially, it will be uxx plus constant ux and partial differentiation ux, u is again ux into ux square plus similarly it is v into vxs plus vx the square. Call this as a equation number 1. As we considered phi is equals to u square plus v square and differentiating with respect to y, we consider phi is equals to this much, so differentiate this time with respect to y, so we will get phi y is equals to 2u uy plus 2v vy, this 2 is constant, same ui plus v vy as we got. Next, again differentiate with respect to y partially, so 2 common already we have taken, so product rule apply here, u into v, so we will get u uyy plus u square y plus v vyy plus vy the square. Differentiating del y phi y, and again once again with respect to x partially we will get here v of x square, v of y square. Consider this as equation 2. 1 and 2, by adding 1 and 2 we will get phi xs plus phi yy is equals to 2 into uxs and here uyy. So u is common taken outside, uxs plus uyy plus v taken common, vxs vyy plus ux the whole square, ux square plus vx square plus uy u square y plus v square y. So this is the equation number 3. Since f of z is equals to u plus iv is analytic, u and v are harmonic. Hence uxs plus uy, when it is harmonic, this term will be 0, vxs plus vy is 0. Further also we have Cauchy-Riemann equations. The Cauchy-Riemann equation, vy is equals to ux, uy is equals to minus vx. Using these result in right hand side of 3, we have right hand side phi xs plus phi yy is equals to 2 into u, this term is 0 plus v, this term is 0, and apply this one. So it is ux square plus vx square. Next uy is nothing but minus vx, the square is there here, make it square, and vy is nothing but ux s square, applying in this equation 3. So you will get this term is 0 0 ux square and ux square 2 ux square vx square. This is again minus into minus plus vx, the square partial differentiation is equals to nothing but take 2 common outside, 2 into 2 4 ux. So this term is 0, this term is 0. Next remains 2 into ux the square, ux the square, vx the whole square, and minus into minus plus vx the square. So 2 taken common outside again, 2 into 2 4. So ux the square, vx the square. So call this as equation 4. But f dash of z is equals to nothing but ux plus ivx. Therefore, mod of f dash z is equals to nothing but square root of under square root of ux the square plus vx the square, or mod of f dash z the whole square is equals to ux square plus v square, taking squaring both sides. Using these results in equation 4, so equation 4 is 5xs plus 5yy is equals to 4 into this term is equals to f dash of z the whole square. This proves the required result. So very simple derivation.